everybody, I'm back today and I got a package in the mail. I got another mystery box. What up, y'all? Gonna take a quick selfie. Okay. So I guess my wife decided to open it up and take a look what's in here. So let's open it up. Here it is. Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes and you guys tell me what it is. Was it good? That was good. Oh. Okay. Plastic off. Okay, it's a little heavy. So I got it out. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, it's a Star Wars. Ooh, limited edition chase. That's the Prague. Oh, nice. Oh, this is one of his mouth open. Ah. That's the part in the Solo story where he's with the Han Solo or Chewie. I think he's going. He's got like his mouth open. Oh, let's see here. Good condition. It's in great condition. Nice. Okay, so this is my third Star Wars one because I've got BB-8, and then I've got Luke Skywalker on the bike, the Lightspeed bike in Return of the Jedi. I have that one. That's it, also chase. So I've got two Star Wars chases, and then BB-8 was not a chase, but so now I've got to get Rey, Finn, Poe Dameron, Luke Skywalker, Kylo Ren unmasked. We also need a mask. Chewbacca, I would like to get him flocked. BB-8, there's a different one where he's like with his hand out. I don't have that one. Rose, I guess I might maybe get the common one of this. I don't know. Supreme Lord Snoke, and the guard, and then First Order. I like the First Order. It's like a little black right there. Him, and then it's a BB-E9 or 9E. It's really cool. So I'm soaked. Another one. It's awesome. I love Star Wars. This is the number 198. Super stoked. I enjoyed the Star Wars story. So I'll definitely go to Fred Meyer's and I gotta get some more Star Wars pops. I don't know. I could make it Han Solo, or yeah, I'll get a Han Solo and then I'll get also Lando. But yeah, it's really cool. Another chase. This is number 4 chase. I had 3. I thought I had 4, but this is my 4th one. So 2 Star Wars chases, and then pop icon or add icon chase, and where's the other one? Not a chase. Where's the chase? What is it? But anyways, that's what I got in the mail today. Super excited. Comment, like, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram, or yeah, on Instagram. I'll link in the description down below, and I'm gonna take a picture of all my pops, and then I'll try and do a video update of all my pops. I've got 3 more coming in the mail. 2 from one place, and then 1 more, I think, a mystery. So this is another mystery box. I think this is my 3rd one, but yeah, there it is. Another chase. Really awesome. Alright, guys. See y'all later.